go get them again.
Welcome back to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into Roger Bird's brand Roja Parfum Roja. This one called Musk Aoud. Now, here's my little collection. Very tiny. I'm not part, they are part of the free bottle brigade. Once you see a guy go to TJ Maxx and has more Roja Doves than me, there's an issue. You know how much I spend on fragrances. There's an issue. Now, there's a good reason for that, right? I've smelt a lot of Roja Doves and I didn't think they were worth it. And I kind of ignored the brand for 10 plus years. Honestly, I started with this one, Creation E, Enigma. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. I don't wear it much. You can see hardly a dent. Not full-fledged review ready yet, obviously. And then there's the dent in Amber Oud, which is most likely my favorite of the brand. It is the one that I need to wear more often. It is good. And as much as I pan Roja Dove as a brand, I have my reasons. And I think I'm pretty fair. And again, some people say I'm not, but proof's in the pudding. I still like some of their fragrances, even though, and this one just got decanted. The bottle's empty, as you can see, very empty. This is Vetiver, which was actually quite solid. And I didn't do a video of it because it was before I asked the website if I could do videos. This is, of course, again, part of decanting process. So I'll be decanting this. It's not for my personal collection. So again, a great thing to subscribe to me. If you're new here, welcome to the Roja channel. I'm your host, Mark. Hit that subscribe button. Why? Because I get Roja Doves. They're not free bottles for me personally for gift for review, where you're going to get a positive fragrance review. With me, it's a website that wants me to do decants. They don't pay me to do these videos, but they've approved that I could do these videos. So what's great about me is I'll say whatever I want. They know this. So hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, especially Roja Dove fragrances. You're not going to see too many fragrance reviewers bash them. Why? Because it's free bottles. Like, not too many people could afford these, first of all. So most of the videos is garbage on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's garbage. Once you start getting free bottles, I'm sorry, but you want more free bottles. You have an attachment to that person that keeps texting you and saying, hey, we're going to send you more Roja. We're going to send you the newest one. You know, and there might be briefs attached to that. There might be money attached to that, not just free bottles. So this Roja brand, I'll be honest, Amber Oud is my baby. I love it. I really do. And it's rare, so take a picture because I've actually spoken good things about Roja Dove fragrance. It's due for a fragrance review. This guy right here, of course, needs more wearings, but I did like it enough to spend my own money on it. So rare wins for the brand of Roja Dove. So let's see what this one has to offer. It is from the same lineup as Amber Oud, so might have a winner. You never know. You may want to record this video and keep it just in case I delete it. Now, was this one discontinued? The Roja Dove fanboys, please let me know that. Did Musk Aoud get discontinued? Because I couldn't find it on the Roja Dove website. Maybe it's because they know my territory and it may not be available in Canada. I don't know. I tried to get the retail price for this particular video, and I could not find it. So I'm not a huge Roja Dove guy, as you can tell. And I'm not going to do a whole bunch of research on an unboxing video, quite honestly. People love to tell me that I'm wrong in videos. People love to tell me and inform us if this thing is discontinued. I think it is. Now, let's take a look at the note breakdown before we delve into this one. In the top, we got bergamot and lemon. So we got a fresh citrusy top. In the mid, we got rose, ylang ylang, and jasmine. So we got some florals here. In the base, we got oud, musk, ambrette, leather, woods, birch, oak moss, tonka, sandalwood. We got a huge base here. Vanilla and nutmeg. Whew. The Roja Dove Classic here, a note breakdown is massive, but they put it all in the base. Now, this was released back in 2013. The nose, of course, Roger. I don't know. Is it Roja? Is it? Your secret's safe with us, Roger. You can tell us who your ghostwriter is. Now, Now let's look at pricing. I could only find it at Beverly Hills Perfumery, which is a retailer in the United States, which is a good retailer, by the way. He's a very, very nice man that owns that. It was $760 USD for this fragrance. Oof. Ouch. So they do have it in stock if it is discontinued. Maybe some people were looking for it. It's at Beverly Hills Perfumery. Not affiliated. There's no coupon code. There's nothing. I was just trying to find a retail price on this thing. So I found it. And you can find it at discounters. If you search around for, what was it, $7.29 that I found it for at a discounter for 100 mil. This is a, what they call a voyage, like basically a travel spray, which I believe is 30 mils. So it's going to be a little teeny bottle. So let's open this thing up. It's been a while since I've actually unboxed the proper Roja Dove fragrance. It has a little sticker here for me, a little pamphlet. Warning, spraying on lighter, delicate fabrics, staining could occur. Yeah, I'm assuming so. Oh, this is dark juice. This is, whoa, this is the darkest juice out of all of them. Okay, Roger, what are you doing to me? Let's delve into this. Okay, let's put on strip first, and then we'll put it on skin. Atomizer, what you come to expect for a smaller bottle like that. Fairly good atomizer though. So let's sniff this one. Let's see what we get from Roja Dove here. Musk Aoud. Oh, that's decent. Nice, nice musky thing. Ombrette seed, mostly. A little bit of oud, but nothing funky, nothing cheesy, nothing crazy here. Just a nice little woody backdrop. It's got a little salty, leathery accord. A little bit of spice here. Uh-oh. Yeah, all you haters, record this video, download it, do whatever you need to do. I think you're going to have a positive fragrance review from me. Now, it might, oh yeah, this is nice. Now, if it is discontinued and its retail pricing was around $700, good luck trying to find this at an actual price, a good price. I'm trying to wonder, I don't remember if the Beverly Hills Perfumery, the retailer, it was a 100 ml bottle for $760 USD. Is this worth that? It's almost a trick question. A lot of fragrances are not worth the price. Personally, for me, if you're asking me what I pay $800 for this, no. But you know, you got to be a smart consumer, right? Would I get a small bottle like this if somebody had this for sale for about $250? You know what? Maybe. It has a little bit of an ashy aspect too. Vanillic touches, so there is some sweetness to it. Look at my strip. It's, oh, you can't see it, but it's definitely yellow. Yeah, it's very complex, very dark. There's some rose in here too. So rich, dark, well blended. Nothing wrong here. Balsams here, there's none listed. No balsams, eh? There's a balsamic quality here, like benzoin, like there's heavy benzoin, vanillic touch here. The oud, not super crazy, but I could feel a little, not barnyardy, but close to it, like almost like a hay-like quality. Very minimal, but enough to be like, this is a good fragrance. It has a little certain funk to it, a little bit, but the fragrance remains very smooth, which is what I think a luxury brand should do with a darker fragrance like this. They don't all have to be big, bold, crazy, oud, funky stuff. Like, yeah, I love those. They're right up my alley. But there's something to be said by a smooth fragrance that has some rough edges. Under the smoothness, it really doesn't bring up down the volumes. It's really restrained. which I like. This is what a luxury brand should do with a darker fragrance, personally. It kind of has that old world feel to it, if that makes sense, which I love. I love that it kind of takes me someplace. It has some sweetness that I didn't think would be such a factor in this fragrance, but it is. Honestly, this is still the king, Amber Oud, of this Oud line, even though this has much darker juice, which you would think, being me, even though it's just colorant, I would be going towards this one. But at the end of the day, Roger did his thing here. I can't immediately think that this is stealing an idea. I'm not immediately thinking like it's an original idea, which is what I've been begging this brand to do. So at the end of the day, unfortunately I have to decant this, so it's not going to be mine, but I wouldn't mind, like this could be my, like it's definitely better than the vetiver. The vetiver is still pretty good. I really wish I did a video on that one because I actually wanted to give it flowers because it was really good while I was decanting it. I was like, this is nice. It's a pretty nice one. But if I had to put it in order, I think Amber Oud would be 1. This would be 2. This would be right behind Creationy. I think it was right behind it. As far as my taste goes, I mean, it's excellent. Really, really good. Now that you've heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. And again, take a picture, do whatever you need to do. A positive Roja Parfum review by me, an unboxing, not a review. I'm looking forward to seeing the development of this thing. I'm already out of the gate. I could tell the complexity is there, and it's going to give me a lot of different facets. Really, really good. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.